hello, welcome back to or welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Chandana Priyavadyar. I know by now you guys has identified the topic of today's video after seeing the thumbnail. Yes, resolutions for the year 2022. No matter how we spent this year 2021, we all came to an end. Whether you used it successfully, whether you wasted it very successfully, whether you kept on thinking about what to do tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and then we came to an end. So now I want all of you guys to come and visit what? To go and visit the 1st January of 2021. But why? Just come with me and then start walking down the lane to till date, the day on which you're watching the video. Indirectly, I'm telling you to recollect all your memories of 2021. After walking down the lane, have you identified something that need to be changed? Those changes which will mold you into a perfect person or a better person or a better human being. Do you identify any such changes? Now you can call them as resolutions. Resolutions are taken to add more value to your life, to make you a better person, to make you a better human being. Moreover, to bring lot more of confidence to you. That more confidence when we successfully follow all your resolutions throughout the year, that gives a lot of confidence. Resolutions differ from person to person. My kind of resolutions may be completely different from those of yours. But if you have the same mindset, the frequency of your mindset and mine matches, then you guys can follow these resolutions too. For this, I walked down the lane from Jan 1st, 2021 and listed out few of the resolutions for the year 2022. So let's get started. First thing, gratitude and being grateful. Start thanking the superpower for everything you have around you. For your family, your friends, your colleagues, your job, your food. See, we are able to walk, we are able to talk, we are able to move. We are able to see this beautiful world. We are able to celebrate one's life. We are joyful, we are peaceful for whatever you are. See, we all have people around us who are always there to encourage us for whatever we do. In that case, we are very blessed by the superpower. So whenever you start thanking people around you for whom you are grateful for and expressing your gratitude towards them, brings a lot more of peace and calm to your inner soul. So for the coming year 2021, let's be grateful for every single day. Let's express our gratitude and let's be grateful for every single day. That's the first task. Second thing, but the important thing, is make yourself your own top priority. Yes, you heard it right. We people usually concentrate on the people around us. We usually gift them, we usually pamper them, we usually talk so nice to them. Like, you surprise people on their birthdays, etc. etc. What about yourself? High time we need to concentrate on ourselves, our own body, our own mind. So in order to do this, there is no mystery. All these things can be attained by doing small things like, drinking a lot more of water than what we usually do, skincare routines, some workout, walking out daily, quitting a bad habit, minimizing the screen time. All these things will help you to grow as a person, and all these things we cannot do suddenly. Quitting a bad habit needs a lot of courage, right? We are not going to do it on 1st Jan of 2022 and then executing for a week very hardly, after that leaving it. No. Our goal is to attain the resolutions by the end of the year. We need to see 1 year is a very long time. We need to do it repetitively for a complete year of 365 days. See, this thing is not at all easy. In order to do continuously and consistently, what we need to do is, the graph, right? Linear graph. You need to start slowly, steadily, and then do everything every day continuously throughout the year. So doing anything abruptly, like suddenly, then we'll stop things doing suddenly also. That thing, Learn that one thing you thought of learning since ages. We feel like learning a lot of things and then we quit everything and sit there, where in our homes doing nothing. The reasons might be anything like time or financial circumstances, etc. But see, you might not get a course completion certificate or a certified degree for what you feel like learning, but still you can learn from all the social media networks which we have today. Research proves that there is nothing left on YouTube which you can't find and learn. So, though you can't get a certificate, we can learn, right? You can learn anything. You can learn digital marketing, you can learn painting, you can learn editing, you can learn how to speak in the public, you can learn how to decorate your home. There are a lot more things which you can learn for free. And learning for free, no need of certificates, everything gets feeded here, right? So, no more excuses. Don't give excuses. Stop giving excuses to your own self. And then let's get started. Let's start learning in the year 2021 or else the same day on which you're watching this video. The fourth thing is take out time for your passion. Not everyone around the globe are doing the jobs which they are passionate about. Not even 10% will be doing that. See, you're not alone. People all around the globe are facing the same situation. As we can't do something we are passionate about as a daily ritual or daily routine, why not do it as a hobby, right? So take time out of your busy schedules for your passion. Might be an hour or an off per day that energizes you, that calms your soul, that will start giving you some more energy for the next day, right? So take out some time for your passion. The next thing is, I want you to the fifth thing is bring back your childhood habits or hobbies, whatever. See, now listen to me carefully. When in your childhood, whenever you get bored, what you guys used to do? We used to paint, we used to draw, we used to go crazy over the ground, we used to play cricket, or worst case, we used to at least get a fight with our siblings for anything, pencil, chocolate, biscuit, whatever. We used to get a fight. But what are we guys doing now? Whenever we are getting bored, we are opening our mobile phones and then we'll be watching Netflix and Prime. Isn't it so? Yes. Even I do that. See, all these things are my resolutions too. So I used to paint. So I thought of, if I get bored now, I will paint first. Then I'll at least fight with my brother. If everything is done and even I am bored now, then I'll watch Netflix or Prime. See, I'm not telling you to stop watching everything, stop going on to social media. No, just prioritize the things. So I'm gonna paint first, and then if my boredom doesn't goes away from me, then I'll start watching Netflix. So we are done with 5 things. Now let's see what the 6th thing is all about. See, we need to develop a habit of saying no. We need to learn how to say no. See, if you are not comfortable with doing certain kind of things, you need to learn how to say no to the people. Saying no declutters 50% of your stress. So after saying no, there will be nothing left for you which you need to do, even if you're feeling like not doing. So decluttering 50% of your stress is more important, and which can be attained successfully by just telling a no. It needs and it takes a lot of courage to spell this 2-letter word no, and I want you guys to earn all that courage and say no if you're not willing to do certain kind of things. Our next resolution is bring some green plants to your home. Yes, bring some plants, pour them water daily, see them growing, observe keenly how much time it's taking to grow. The leaves will fall, the new leaves will be growing. But why? See, we expect results instantly after doing certain things. After having plants, I had two this year. I bought two plants to my home. After seeing them growing, my thought process changed. Now, I'm not that greedy about the results, like not instantaneous results. I'm not expecting them. So, this will help us grow. Like, our thought process will definitely change once we have greens around us. But you need to get connected to them. Like, you need to sit there, you need to observe them, you know. I used to spend a lot of time with them. Now both my plants are dead, so I'm gonna buy new plants for myself. The next thing is investments. I'm not very good at it, but I feel like learning it. See, being in 20s, we all need to learn about the basics of investments, and we need to keep an eye over our investments, what we are earning, how much we are saving, all these things. So I'm going to adopt this habit in the coming year, like from now. I already started, so let's see how this journey of investment goes for us. And the next resolution is sharing or giving away. If we see around our home, there are so many things which we are not gonna use anyhow. Once we used to use them, but now there is no use for us with those things. So I'm gonna clean my home and declutter everything. If I found something which will be useful for others and which is not useful for me, I'm gonna share it to those who are in need of them. Right? Giving gives a lot of pleasure. Giving tells you that you are able to give and you must be grateful for that. As always, as first resolution, giving brings you more and more peace. So let's start sharing, let's start giving. If we have something and we are not using it, and someone out there are waiting to have it in. But not the least is, do the things which you are scared of doing. Yes, I'm scared of making videos. I'm not scared of public speaking, I'm just scared of making videos. Scared of what, I don't know. But I made some script for Christmas. I wrote it down, I made everything, I set my camera on. Somehow I got distracted. I don't know what fears I have for shooting the video, but I stopped it. Now figuring out, like walking down the lane and figuring out all the resolutions, I wrote this one. Do something that you are scared of. So I myself thought, why waiting for the next year? So make this itself a video. So I started doing things which I am scared of doing. You might be scared of public speaking. Go grab the mic out there, speak whatever you feel like speaking. If you're scared of heights, go to the top, shout loud, go crazy. No matter whether you're feeling me as cranky or what, go there and shout like, I do not have fear of heights now, or whatever. Shout louder. Let your fears out from your soul. See, I don't know in what way this is going to help us, but this will definitely add some value to our life. Indirectly, I am telling you to remove all your fears. If you have fear of something, just do it, and then let's see what's going to happen after that. That's secondary. So here are my resolutions. Listing down the resolutions and writing it down on a notepad is not tough. What's tough is following it for a year of 365 days continuously, consistently is what tougher. Resolutions should help you to grow personally, physically and mentally. You can add your own kind of resolutions for the year 2022. But please don't be harsh on yourself. Don't be hard on yourself. You can be hard on yourself for a week. Then you will get exhausted. Then you will stop doing everything. So let your growth be gradual and linear. I am telling it repeatedly because I faced it. Whenever I feel like working out continuously for a week, I trouble myself for doing long hours. with those sore muscles and all, I'll stop doing it again. Let's not do that. Let's learn things slowly, steadily, gradually, and let's be consistent for the coming year 2022. So now I am realizing our first resolution should be like following all our resolutions. Isn't it? I'm just kidding. So these all are my resolutions for the coming year 2022. I hope I help you in some way or the other. I hope I added some value for the time you have spent with me on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video. Let's all have a huge hope for the coming year 2022. A big cheers. Welcome the year with the open arms. Let it bring what it want to bring us, and let's fight with everything it brings. Like, if let's learn to fight against all the odds. Let's be so grateful in the coming year for everything. Let's express our gratitude. Let's become bold, brave, consistent. So that's it for the video. These are my resolutions. See you on the other video. Until then, this is Chandana Priya Vadya signing off. Bye bye. Belated Merry Christmas to all the viewers who are watching this video, and advance Happy New Year.